How to know if it's true love. Have you ever entered a relationship when you firmly believed that you were in love, only to discover that you were just chasing that fleeting fairy tale feeling? Are you presently in a relationship with the love of your life, and you think that the passionate feeling you have for that person will last forever? Are you wondering if you are truly in love with the right person, or if the feelings you are experiencing are genuine? Nowadays, people often confuse love with infatuation and attraction. But understanding the distinctions between attraction, infatuation, and true love is the key to determining whether the feelings you experience for someone are true love. So what are the differences between attraction, infatuation, and actual love? Attraction is based on what you see. You know how a person looks and acts. The problem is what you see isn't always what you get. Infatuation is based on how you feel. It is usually a short-term, intense, passionate feelings for someone. It is blind and prefers to stay that way. It doesn't like to look at reality. When you're infatuated with someone, you often assume that everything they do is perfect. You envision your relationship with them as a bed of roses. You become extremely excited, flush, giggle, and smile with stomach butterflies when you think of them. Infatuation may appear to be true love, but because it is based on how you are feeling at the moment, it may end abruptly or fade away. Genuine love is long-suffering, kind, and selfless. Real love does not keep track of the mistakes of others. When two people are kind, hardworking, and have similar values, true love can blossom. Unlike infatuation, which is focused on emotions, love forces you to look at the world objectively and think about others before yourself. Those strong, tender feelings are certain to be involved. These are balanced by reason and deep respect for the other person. When you are truly in love, you are concerned for the happiness and well-being of the other person just as much as you are for yourself. Such a selfless feeling is a warm, evenly balanced manner of life, rather than a heated, overpowering emotion that obliterates sound judgment. The main difference between love and infatuation is that love is selfless. It takes into account the needs and feelings of the other. Infatuation, on the other hand, is a selfish emotion. People who are infatuated often remark, "I really feel important when I'm with him. I have trouble falling asleep. I'm in awe of how great this is," or "she truly cheers me up." Have you noticed how frequently I or me are used? Never forget that love is not selfish. For instance, is your friend genuinely interested in the success of your own plans? Does he or she respect your opinions, feelings, and those of your family and friends? Does that person constantly criticize you in front of others or demeaning you when you're in a group? This may give you some indication whether that one has real love for you. Giving yourself time to test your emotions is the best way to distinguish infatuation from love. But how long should this take? It differs from person to person, but usually the younger you are, the longer you should wait. But how can a person find out if it is real love without becoming emotionally involved? Try to find out from a distance as much as you can. What kind of reputation does that person have? Does he or she get along well with others? What are that person's life goals, as shown by their way of living? The answers to these kind of questions can assist you in deciding whether you want to become more emotionally involved. Keep in mind that attraction is based on what you see. Infatuation is based on how you feel. It quickly reaches a fever pitch and gradually disappears. But genuine love is based on what you know. It grows stronger with time and becomes a lifelong union. If you enjoyed the video, please like it and subscribe to my channel.